Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Kum kajing pin kre election shakaying dor bar Thaw an jong kajela Meghalaya kaban salong haus nam arhajar apulai ka Bharatiya Janata Party ka pratri no pra arjar apuar kala Thaw ya ka election management committee kat kum kajing patha bat kajing menjur jong ki bor ki bahalor na Delhi ha kajing kram gila pathai ku bor ka khat santrik no pra arjar apuar u state president jong BJP ba Anas Mauri u layat hu baki don haduk hat kandaitli committee ki bala Thaw ka party ya ki ba clear da ki MLA bat ki nong kit kam jong party nak bentawan pentelon ki kam ki bay day bat ka jingya bet jong election.
So you know we are the national party. We have certain guidelines and we have to follow the party constitution. Since we are going to face the general election nearly now left only 2 months, so we have to form the different committee. We have already formed the state election committee, the finance committee, and now today we are going to announce this election management committee. This is the office order. As per directive and approval of the BJP headquarters, the state president has constituted the election management committee for the ensuing Meghalaya State Assembly election 2023 with the following party officials: serial number, department, designation, and name. So I'll go one by one. Serial number 1, Election Management Committee. Here we have the convener, Shri Yelhe, the co-convener, Shri David Cassidy, and the other co-convener, Shri Rikman Momin, and one more co-convener, Shri Rupam Aswami. Then followed by the serial number 2, department, designation and name. Election office, licensing with election department. Convener, Shri David Cassidy. Co-convener, Shri Nitin Khera. Another co-convener, Shri Sharat Bauri. And one more co-convener, Shri Bokul C.H. Hajong. Then I come to serial number 3, that is a call center. Convener, Shri George Clarence C. Nombet. Co-convener, Srimati Sujata Bandari. Serial number 4, office management. Convener, Miss Arundhati Paul. Co-convener, Srimati Deepika Dale. Then I come to serial number 5, that is security. Convener, Shri Nitin Khera, and co-convener, Shri Raju Lambu. And I'm coming to serial number 6, that is media department. The convener, Shri H.M. Champion, co-convener, Shri Pramod Jain, and another one more co-convener, Shri Ankur Kumar. Come to serial number 7, that is media relation. Convener, Shri Dipayan Chakrabarti. Co-convener, Ankur Kumar. Another co-convener, Shri Justice E.M. And one more co-convener, Shri Daulat Bharat. Then serial number 8, that is Department of Legal Matters and Election Committee. Convener, Shri S.P. Mantok, Advocate, and co-convener, Advocate Mewakir Lingdong. Then we have come to serial number 9, that is Literature Printing. Convener, Shri Pawan Sharma. Co-convener, Shri Swapan Paul. Another co-convener, Miss Arundhati Paul. And one more co-convener, that is Shri Ral Shabong. Prasad Yadav. Co-convener, Shri Arun Kumar. Come to serial number 12, tour program of national leaders and state leaders. Convener, Shri G.C. Nombet, and co-convener Dainan Singh. Serial number 13, at campaign, all time, convener Shri Kaganjien, co-convener Srimati Unisi Kriyam. Serial number 14, resource, convener Shri Sanbor Shulai, minister, and co-convener Shri Airhead MLA. Serial number 15, account, Sanbor Shulai, minister, co-convener Shri HM Champliang, convener, co-convener Shri Bana Marak MDC, another co-convener Shri Edmond K. Sangma, chief spokesperson, another co-convener Shri Basharam Khongwil, responsibility to all the members and the MLA, and this MLA, those who are present here, again will assign them with the new assign, which we have to notify and get the approval from Delhi. And all the MLA sitting here in the dais, they have their own responsibility. So this is the announcement from our side, from the state office related to the election.